Okay, I'm here with the epidemic again, and let's talk fans. Okay, so I got my fans in there already, and I want to hook them up to a 3-cell battery, but I don't want to actually do all the craziness that involves making this glorious thing that looks all nice and finished and ready to put in the truck. I could go on and slap it in there, but I got fans in there already, so let's just say you then had a setup where you plugged in fans to the ESC into the box, and they ain't up to stuff anymore because it's starting to get warm. So I have this ridiculous amount of stuff. Now this looks like a lot of crap. Yeah, I got grills and ESC wires and XT60 plugs and more grills and fans and fans and fans and more fans. But yeah, I bought all of this off of AliExpress and Amazon, and all of this crap together, all of this together didn't even cost as much as one of those really nice fans that you buy and they are already like this and ready to go. And so yeah. Okay, so let's just say I have a setup like this, and the fan itself, usually I like to buy them, they have, well, if I can actually get it in the shot, here's the fan that I use. Yeah, I know it's probably not gonna work. Come on. It's literally not gonna work. Okay, bump it. That's what I get for using the GoPro in the house. So, okay, let's see. I have the fan. It has the 2 wires coming out of it, not the 4 or the 6 or the 18 like some of them can have. Just the regular old black and white fan. I mean, black and red fan wires coming into a little 2-prong. Now, you can take the EXC extension cable, cut a lip in the ESC extension cable right where the fan wires come out at, and plug this straight into that fan head. I mean, straight into the wire header. So let's try to make it look all nice and neat. No need to make stuff look like shit when you don't have to. Okay, now we have our lip. Let's see. Okay, I need a little bit more out of there. Let's get rid of that. And that actually looks pretty good. So as for the XT60s and the ESC wires, yeah, you're gonna have to go and solder that. I made this already. All I did was solder the ESC wires, the red and black wires to the EX60 plug, so I can have it ready to go for the XT60 on the battery, which is a 1550. Yeah, they're pretty small. Yeah, I can use 2000s too, or 2200s, but I really wouldn't go any higher than that. I mean, those start to get pretty big. So plug in the battery, see if it works. Oh yeah. That is, it wants to take off and fly already. Yeah, it wants to take off and fly already. Man, it still amazes me just how powerful these fans are. The freaking nuts. God. Of course, it's not going to hold itself up. That would just be insane. And these fans are literally only rated for, they're only rated for 12 volts, but you can hit them up to 4 cell. But I really wouldn't recommend that. I mean, everything has this cutoff point. And that's just gonna really screw with the life of the fan. Yeah, to kill it. So, yeah, I already have these two made up. And all I have to do is just stick this on here. I already have this one wired up. I wired that one up the regular way, some general way. So, let's see. Get that on there. Okay, I really do like how small these stupid wires are. It sucks, but you're gonna have to go on and get it in there some kind of way. Great. Get in there. And it don't help that I have huge hands. Ah. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I got it on there finally, man. Now, you definitely have to secure these wires. Yeah, you just can't have these things flapping all over the damn place. But that is loud, and that is very powerful. Oh my God. Serious. And as for the battery, I use some of this cabinet liner. Squish it in between the battery and, okay, let's get it right here. Squish it in between the battery and your main car battery. And then strap all of that together. Yeah, it really is a pain in the butt trying to get another 3-cell battery in this car, in these cars. And that's not going anywhere. Okay, so now you can put it in the car and get it all set up and whatnot. Ugh. Okay, so that's fans. As maniacal as it is, it definitely works, and it's definitely a cheap alternative to buying the ready-made fans. Unless you want to spend 80 to 100 and even more than that on a couple of fans to get something like this. Yeah. But if you have a dozen or so cars that's ready to go at any given moment, paying $100 for one fan or 2 fans is really ridiculous, and I'm not doing that ever. Yeah, I'd rather pay the $100 and get a whole box of fans and all the wires and connectors and grills that I need to put them on all my cars instead of doing that stuff. But to each their own, and that's that.